Welcome to Ouanalao. Offering a world-class resort lifestyle, the private residences overlook the beautiful beachfront and Indian River Lagoon. Nestled on 15 acres of Hutchinson Island, this extraordinary community is a unique opportunity to relish in the beauty of pristine beaches and immerse yourself in the nature of the Indian River. The Ouanalao Beach Club will provide sweeping oceanfront views with a resort-style pool, cabanas, fire pits, poolside dining, and a bar. With a kids zone, splash pad, and amenities lawn for music and movies, there's endless opportunity for family fun. Receive the resort experience at the Chef Cultivated restaurant with a private dining room, outdoor terrace, bar lounge, 2 ballrooms, and a reception patio. The community does not fall short on amenities with a wellness spa, fitness center, salon, and boutique. Visit the western side of the island for another resort-style pool, restaurant, and tiki bar overlooking the Indian River Lagoon and 26-slip marina. Ouanalao is best known for its worry-free home ownership. Confidently place your vacation home into the hands of Mainsail, a luxury rental management company with on-site management to handle the details from rental bookings to maintenance and repairs. Ouanalao is now selling with prices starting at $1.4 million. Contact us for more details about Ouanalao and like and subscribe to learn more about luxury communities on the Treasure Coast and Space Coast.